One way to vote is by going to retoolyourschool.com/vote. An additional way to vote is by going to Instagram and utilizing your school's designated hashtag and an original caption. Now, you can make as many posts as you want to cast your vote, but commenting your school's hashtag does not count. And if you're like me and you like taking a quick pic for the gram, utilize your school's hashtag in your captions during the voting period. And remember, no matter how many times you use the same school's hashtag in the caption, it only counts as one vote. And last but not least, cast your vote with a tweet. It's as simple as utilizing your school's hashtag in an original tweet or reply. If you quote tweet, utilize your school's hashtag, and that also counts as a vote. That's right, you can get as many votes in it as long as you're using those hashtags during the voting period. And if you want to support another school, you can do that too. Voting is truly unlimited. Add another school's hashtag in the same tweet, and a vote will count for each school. And remember, no matter how many times you use the same school's hashtag in one tweet, it'll only count as one vote. And please be mindful, Twitter as a platform has its own daily limits. And if you get in Twitter jail, don't worry, there are other ways to vote until the next day. If your social media profiles are private, or you don't have an Instagram or Twitter, don't worry. Voting on the website is unlimited with no account needed. Alright, this has truly been great. I hope you've learned how to make your vote count for Retool Your School. Now, let's see who's going to vote for your HBCU to win big.